आज सर्कल में और भी कुछ एग्जाम्पल कैसे कैसे कर सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1 देखते हैं। इसमें क्या दिया है, द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल x इक्वल टू -1 + 2 cos थीटा, y इक्वल टू 3 + 2 sin थीटा इज व्हाट। हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, दिस इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग अ सर्कल व्हिच इज x इक्वल टू -1 + 2 cos थीटा, y इक्वल टू 3 + 2 sin थीटा इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग अ सर्कल। ये रिप्रेजेंट सर्कल कर रहा है तो फिर सेंटर क्या मिलेगा इसका। सो x इक्वल्स -1 + 2 cos थीटा, इसको रीराइट करें x + 1 इक्वल टू 2 cos थीटा। ऐसे ही y इक्वल टू 3 + 2 sin थीटा, सो इसको रीराइट करें y - 3 इक्वल टू 2 sin थीटा। अब क्या मिला है, x + 1 इक्वल टू 2 cos थीटा, y - 3 इक्वल टू 2 sin थीटा मिला है। सो नाउ स्क्वायरिंग एंड एडिंग। अब स्क्वायरिंग एंड एडिंग करते हैं तो क्या मिलेगा, x + 1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y - 3 होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स इस तरफ 4 cos स्क्वायर्ड थीटा प्लस 4 sin स्क्वायर्ड थीटा। इसको ग्रुप कर सकते हैं 4 into cos स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस sin स्क्वायर थीटा। क्या होता है sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा, 1। वेरी गुड। सो 4 into cos स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस sin स्क्वायर थीटा दैट इज 1। सो ए मिला है आपका 4। सो ए x + 1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y - 3 होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4 मिला। अभी ये किस फॉर्मेट में है, सर्कल के फॉर्मेट में है। सो इसका इक्वेशन ये मिला है। इसमें से सेंटर निकाल सकता है क्या, सो इसको आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो -1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y - 3 होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स 2 स्क्वायर। अभी इसमें सेंटर क्या लग रहा है, ऐसे ही हमने देखा है सर्कल में x - h होल स्क्वायर प्लस y - 3k होल स्क्वायर। सो सेंटर क्या मिला था इसमें, h और k। सो h इधर क्या है -1। वेरी गुड। सो k क्या मिलेगा, 3 मिलेगा। सो द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल representing x equal to -1 + 2 cos theta or y equal to 3 + 2 sin theta is -1 3। समझ में आया बेटा। अभी अगला एग्जाम्पल में पहुंचेंगे। अभी एग्जाम्पल 2 में पहुंचते हैं, क्या बोलता है। Example 2 says the number of points x, y having integral coordinates satisfying the condition x square plus y square less than 25 is what? So this x square plus y square equal to 25 represents a circle with a center, origin and a radius of 5. So this is a circle you get. So now in this, now what they are saying that this x square plus y square less than 25. So less than 25 means that all points should lie inside the circle. So that means we say that as x square plus y square minus 25 is less than 0. Whenever the points, whatever be the points x, y, my x square plus y square minus 25 if it is less than 0, then all set of points x, y should lie inside the circle. Now let us see that how we can get what are the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, a circle is drawn. A circle is drawn like this. Now if you draw the line through this point, through this, if you draw, then, and similarly this one also you can draw. You get like this. If you draw, now see here, this is giving you integral point 1, 1, here 1, 2, and like this way you get these points. This point is 3, 4, that is lying on the circle, because 3 square plus 4 square, that gives us minus 25 will give us 0. So, that is 3 square plus 4 square minus 25 equal to 0, that means that lie on the circle of radius 5. So, that point cannot be counted as the inside one. Similarly, this 4, 4 cannot be. Now, let us see that what are the points are possible. We have 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4. These are the possibilities we have. So, even plus side as well as minus side also will give us the interior points. So, there are total 1, here 2, here 2, here 2, so here 2. So, 8 plus 1, 9 points we will be getting. So, 9 point for x coordinate and 9 point for y coordinate we get. So, x coordinate get 9 coordinates and y coordinate also 9 we get. So, total number of points we get 9 into 9, 81 points. So, 81 points we will be getting. In this, there are possibility, that is plus minus 3, plus minus 4, yeah, plus minus 4, plus minus 3, yeah, plus minus 4, plus minus 4. This also possible with these numbers. So, this gives us, each one is of 4 possibilities, because this is of 2, this is of 2. So, total possibility of this is 4. So, 4, 4, 4. So, there are 12 cases we will get with this. So, 12 points, these cannot lie inside the circle, because if you take 3 and 4, that satisfy the circle, that is 9 plus 16, that is equal to 25. So, that cannot be less than 0. So, it cannot be. Similarly, this also cannot be. Now, if you have 4 and 4, so then we get here 4 square, that is a 16, 4 square 16, 16 plus 16 32, minus 25 cannot be less than 0. So, that means these points cannot be inside the circle. So, therefore, these 12 cases we remove from this 81. So, the number of possible integral values, okay, number of points having this x, y as integral coordinates are number of x, y, that is the possible coordinates having integral coordinates. Yes, 81 पहले ऑल पॉसिबिलिटी देखे हैं और उसमें से ये 12 केस हमें सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा है, इसलिए 81 माइनस 12 मिलेगा 69. So, the number of possible are, a point moves in a such a way that the ratio of its distance from two coplanar points is always a fixed number, that is not equal to 1, then its locus is a circle. That is the condition we can say that a point is moving P, and given that is such a way that the ratio of its distance from two coplanar points, let us take that as A and B are the 2 points, coplanar points. Then the distance, that is AP by BP, is a constant. This constant, if it is not equal to 1, it represents a circle. It represents a circle. So now here the condition, a point moves in such a way that the ratio of its distance from the two coplanar points is always a fixed number. That fixed number is k, that is not equal to 1. Then its locus is a circle. Question number 4 में क्या बताते हैं? So the greatest distance of the point P of 10, 7 from the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y minus 20 equal to 0 is either 10 or 15 or 5 or none of these. We have to prove that. So here a circle is given x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y minus 20 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y है तो center क्या होगा? Center is minus half of the coefficient of x. So you get 2 and minus half of the coefficient of y. So we get 1. So the center is 2 comma 1. So we get center as a 2 comma 1. Then radius is root of g square plus f square minus c मिलता है. So इसमें g क्या है? That is 2 or minus 2 and f is 1 या minus 1. So here root of 2 square, that is 4 plus 1 square, that is 1, and c is here minus 20. So minus c means plus 20. So we get the radius as root of 25, that gives us 5. So this is your radius मिल गया. So the radius मिल गया और center मिल गया 2, 1. Now a point P is here 10, 7. इस पॉइंट से हमें ग्रेटेस्ट डिस्टेंस वाला देखना है. दिस इज योर C, that is the center 2, 1. It is meeting the circle at A and B. Now the longest distance क्या होगा बेटा? So ये आएगा PB. So now what we have to find out? The greatest distance of the point चाहिए. So greatest distance से तो हमें चाहिए PB. So PB क्या होगा? PC plus CB. So PC plus CB. So PC क्या होता है? इन दोनों का डिस्टेंस. इसका पॉइंट पता है 10, 7 और इसका पॉइंट पता है 2, 1. So that gives us root of 10 minus 2 whole square. That means x1 minus x2 whole square. So 10 minus 2 है तो 8 square plus अगला y coordinate 7 minus 1 whole square. So that is 6 square. This is your PC मिला है plus CB क्या है? CB is your radius. Radius कितना है? 5. So this is 5. So ये मिला है आपका root of 64 plus 36, 100 plus 5. Yeah, root 100 is 10 plus 5, that gives us 15. So the longest distance point in a circle from the point 10, 7. So they are asking you the greatest distance or longest distance of the point P of 10, 7 from the circle. This one is. So what we got? First we center, then radius, then the distance. PB is PC plus CB. So PC plus CB is root of 100 plus 5, yeah, 10 plus 5, that is 15. So your option is B is the right answer. Example 5 में क्या दिया है? Let us read it. इसमें क्या दिया है? If one end of a diameter of the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0 be 3, 4. Then the other end is what? A 0, 0, B 1, 1, C 1, 2 and D 2, 1. So here आपका circle है इसमें center we know that as minus g minus f. Here 2g is minus 4, so g will become minus 2, so minus g is 2. Or 2f is minus 6, so f is minus 3, so minus f will be 3. So center मिल गया 2, 3. Diameter is always passing through the center, and the center is the midpoint of the diameter. So A or B. इसमें एक coordinate दे दिया है 3, 4. Now the another one we have to get the alpha beta is what? So इसमें we use that midpoint formula. Midpoint formula क्या होता है? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Very good. So x1 plus x2, that is alpha plus 3 by 2 equal to 2. So alpha plus 3 equal to 4, या alpha equal to 1 मिला है, और beta plus 4 by 2 equal to 3, the coordinate. So that is a midpoint. So beta plus 4 equal to 6, या beta equal to 2. हमें क्या चाहिए था? अल्फा बीटा. अल्फा मिल गया 1, बीटा मिल गया 2. So the coordinate of B or the other end of the diameter of a circle is 1, 2. So question number 6 क्या बोलता है? f of xy equal to x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by plus c equal to 0. This represents a circle. If f of x comma 0 equal to 0, it is a polynomial, has equal roots, each being 2. And f of 0y equal to 0 has 2 and 3 as its roots. Then the center of circle is what? We have to get that. So now here the circle is this, that is x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by plus c equal to 0. This is your equation of a circle. इसमें से center क्या होगा? Center is minus a minus b. So this we have to find out because they are asking you to find the center of the circle. इसमें से condition क्या दिया है? f of x comma 0 is 0. So that means here f of xy is given. Put x equal to x and y equal to 0, and it has equal roots 2. So we get here x square and y is 0 plus 2ax plus c equals 0. When this point है तो मगर क्या बोल रहे हैं? It has equal roots being 2. So it has equal roots being 2 है तो हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? x minus 2 into x minus 2 या x minus 2 whole square बोल सकते हैं. So if you are comparing this one, x square minus 4x plus 4 equals x square plus 2ax plus c. इसमें से ये क्या मिलेगा? So here we have the coefficient of x is 2a and here minus 4. So 2a equals minus 4. So 2a equal to minus 4 है तो a equal to minus 2 मिलेगा. Similarly, compare the other constant. This is a constant c equal to 4 मिला है. So a मिला है minus 2 और c is 4 मिला है. Similarly, f of 0y equal to 0. So f of 0y equal to 0 means put here the value of x as 0 and y as y. So we get first one is 0, so y square, another that is also 0 plus 2by plus c equal to 0. Now here given 2 and 3 are the roots. So 2 and 3 are the roots. So these are the roots are values of y. So therefore y minus 2 and y minus 3 are the factors. So, it can be written as y minus 2 into y minus 3. Now, we can open this one, it gives us y square minus 5y plus 6. We get y square plus 2by plus c equal to 0 equals y square minus 5y plus 6. Now, compare both sides, we get 2b minus 5 and c is 6. 2b minus 5 है तो क्या होगा, b is minus 5 by 2 and c is 6. Now, these are the two conditions. So, in these two conditions what we get, a equal to minus 2, c equal to 4. Here b equal to minus 5 by 2 and c equal to 6. This c is not unique, because if you have c equal to both cases 6, then we can say center as minus 2 comma minus 5 by 2. But here this c equal to 4 and this is c equal to 6, both are different. So, it cannot satisfy. So, we get the data are inconsistent. समझ में आ गया बेटा? So, पहले इसमें रूट्स दिया है, both roots are equal, उसमें से एक इक्वेशन बनाया है, और टू रूट्स आर गिवन 2, 1, 3, उसमें से एक इक्वेशन मिला है, कंपेयर किया है, उसमें से हमने वैल्यू निकाला है. मगर इन दिस c equal to 4 and c equal to 6 are different, so it is inconsistent. समझ में आ गया? If p and q are the longest distance and the shortest distance respectively of the point minus 7, 2 from any point alpha beta on the curve whose equation is x square plus y square minus 10x minus 14y minus 51 equal to 0, then GM means geometric mean of p and q is equal to what? That is 2 root 11, या 5 root 5, या 13 and none of this. So, आपके पास दिया है p and q are the longest distance and the shortest distance of the point minus 7, 2. So, circle दिया है इसमें x square plus y square minus 10x minus 14y minus 51. अभी इसका सेंटर क्या होगा? सेंटर क्या होगा? बोलिए. सो क्या मिलेगा? 5 और 7. शाबाश. सो 5 और 7. और रेडियस क्या मिलेंगे? r इक्वल टू रूट ऑफ g स्क्वायर प्लस f स्क्वायर माइनस c. इसमें g मिला है आपको 5, 25 प्लस f मिला है 7, so 49 and c in this is minus 51, so it gives us 51. So, it will be root of 125 या 5 root 5 as the radius. Radius मिला है 5 root 5. हमें पता है a distance of a point minus 7 to the circle. A, B. इसमें क्या होगा? ये है point P. We know that as the farthest distance. Farthest distance is PB. PB is PC plus CB. So PC क्या है? Center हमें पता है 5, 7. Let us find first PC by using distance formula. Distance formula क्या है बेटा? Root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square under root, that will be the distance. So PC क्या मिल रहा है इसमें? You will get root of 5 plus 7, that is 12 square plus 7 minus 2, that is 5 square, that is root of 144 plus 25. So that is root of 169. So 13 मिला है. So PC equal to 13 मिल गया. Now PB क्या है? PB is the longest distance that is mentioned as P in this question. So P small p equal to PC 13 plus the distance, that is radius is 5 root 5 because CB is radius. So 13 plus 5 root 5 और मिला small shortest distance दिया है Q. Q equal to you have PA, that is PA equal to PC minus CA. PC minus CA. So now PC हमें पता है Q equal to PC is 13 और CA क्या होता है? Radius. Radius is 5 root 5. So minus 5 root 5. Now what is GM? अभी P मिल गया, Q भी मिल गया. हमें क्या करना है? GM of P and Q. GM means geometric mean of P and Q. So geometric mean of P and Q is PQ power half. So there are two numbers, so उनका product उसका square root. So PQ. So क्या मिल रहा है PQ? मिलेगा, you will get PQ equal to P is 13 plus 5 root 5 into 13 minus 5 root 5. It's under root. So 13 plus 5 root 5 into 13 minus 5 root 5. It look like A plus B into A minus B. क्या formula है? A square minus B square. Very good. So now root of A square क्या हो गया? 13 square minus 5 root 5 whole square. वो मिलेगा 169 minus 125. This will be root of 44 या 2 root 11. So GM of PQ. GM of PQ is root of 13 plus 5 root 5 into 13 minus 5 root 5 or 2 root 11. So your answer is A as the answer. So what is given? The shortest distance and the longest distance. The longest distance is P and shortest distance is Q. Their GM. So we got the values of P and Q and their GM is root of PQ, that we get it as 2 root of 11. Now let us see the example 8th one. क्या बोले? If 1 plus alpha x whole power n equals 1 plus 8x plus 24x square etc. Expansion आपको पता है binomial expansion and a line through P of alpha n cuts the circle x square plus y square equal to 4 in A and B. Then what is the value of PA into PB as? That is 4 or 8 or 16 or 32. If we expand this one, so first of all we must know that is what is the value of alpha or what is the value of n, पहले पता करना है. So उसके लिए, so 1 plus alpha x whole power n equals 1 plus 8x plus 24x square etc. Expand करते हैं तो 1 plus n alpha x, that is nc1 into x. So n alpha x. अगला है nc2 into alpha x whole square. हमें इस 3 टर्म से ही मिल जाएगा etc. You get equals 1 plus 8x plus 24x square plus etc. Now we have to compare both sides. अभी इसमें मिला है 1 plus n alpha x, इधर x का कोएफिशिएंट 8 है, इसमें x का कोएफिशिएंट n अल्फा, सो n अल्फा इक्वल टू 8 और nc2 into alpha square x square is coefficient is 24, so nc2 alpha square equal to 24 मिला है. So nc2 means क्या है? n factorial by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial into alpha square equal to 24. So इसमें से n into n minus 1 by 2 alpha square equal to 24 or n alpha into n alpha minus alpha by 2 equal to 24 मिला है. So now we know already n alpha is 8. So n alpha equal to 8 है, तो if we substitute it 8 into 8 minus alpha by 2 equal to 24. So इस 8 से इसको cancel करिए 3. So 8 minus alpha equal to 6. 8 minus alpha equal to 6 है, तो alpha equal to 8 minus 6, that is 2 मिला. So alpha equal to 2, you got it. Or so n value we can get it as n alpha equal to 8. So 2n equal to 8. So n equal to 4 मिला. हमें क्या करना है? P of alpha n. Cut the circle. This in A and B. Okay. So now what is the coordinate of P? Alpha comma n. Alpha comma n है तो क्या होगा? क्या पॉइंट है हमारे पास? बोलेंगे? So क्या है? 2 4. शाबाश. So it will be 2 4. So the coordinate is 2 4. इस पॉइंट से it is cutting the circle. The circle is x square plus y square equal to 4. 2 4 is this one. If you draw either this way or this way, whatever be the way, the line will intersect the circle at 2 points. One is A, B, and this point is 2 comma 0 because the radius is 2. Now this is a line touching the circle, so it becomes a tangent. Let us take this as a P, this as a T and A, B मिला. आपने 10th क्लास में पढ़ा होगा PA into PB equals PT square. That is secant tangent theorem. So A, B, that is PAB is a secant and PT is a tangent because this is a line touching the circle. Touching the circle at 2 comma 0. So PA into PB equal to PT square. So PT is what length we will be having? This length is 4 units. Kyonki this point is 2 4. The distance of 2 0 and 2 4 is 4 units. So 4 units means 4 square. So that is 16. So now we get the value of PA into PB as 16. कैसे? PA into PB equal to PT square, that is equal to 4 square, yeah, 16. So we get the solution as C as the answer.